we've seen the pyramid in the Louvre, and we're now at the western end of the gardens of the Louvre, and this is the obelisk. This is an Egyptian obelisk dedicated to Ramses II.
Is it actually from Egypt? I can see the hieroglyph.
It was brought from the Temple of Luxor, and this completes the temple that they recreated using the Louvre. This is at the far end of it. It's at the gate that was the gate of Luxor in the same position. If we look at a map of the Louvre with the gardens, see the pyramid and the head of what would be classed the man in the form of a temple. So the pyramid was here, and if we come down through the garden, we're now down here at the obelisk. And if we see an aerial photo of the Temple of Luxor, we can see the same layout.
Yeah, similar layout.
And at the same end, down there, that was where this obelisk came from.
So you believe that they were trying to match this to the way they've laid out Paris?
They've created an Egyptian temple in the middle of Paris.
So at one level, you see these famous landmarks that we all know and love, but do you think there's something a lot more to it in the way they're laid out?
It is very much of the Masonic plan to reintroduce these older beliefs and these older mysteries into the modern day, and to use that kind of architecture, the great Egyptian architecture, and to recreate temples in the same way that they recreate Solomon's temple every time they build a lodge. So they build the Egyptian temples as well in a capital city, in the middle of a city.